नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है मधुर। आप देख रहे हैं टेक जी। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Okay, so today it is a time where we justify our channel's name, just Tech G Technology. I don't know why did I keep that, but yeah. So let's unbox this thing. By the way, I already opened this box in the shop itself because I had to put the tempered glass on, so I already opened it. But yeah, let's go. I have this very special equipment of opening this box, which is this pen. Okay, so yeah, acting. Yes, so here we go, and here is the phone. Yes, you know it. Let's keep this aside for some time. So we got a USB Type A to Type C cable in here, and what is this? A power brick which supports 15 watt charging. The phone supports 25 watts and this charger is 15 watts, which is a complete drawback. I don't know why do they do that. Like Samsung always gives this small piece of 15 watt charging. That's it. I don't know why do they do that. The phone supports 25 watt, but then they give us this 15 watt charger, which almost takes an hour, 2 hours to completely charge the phone. We have this, and then we got the SIM ejector tool up here on this box. So yes, we got the SIM ejector tool, and then what do we have in here? Okay, some paperwork, some documents, which I don't think I require, but then JEE mains mein aa jayega. I'll keep it aside. Okay, so that's it. The SIM ejector tool, box, empty box. That's it. This is what we got in the box itself. So now let's get to the main part. Let's go. Okay, so we got the 6GB 128GB version, 6 cross 128, and it is blue in color. So let's just remove this plastic piece. Yeah. Satisfying. It is very satisfying. I don't know if you can see it, but yes, it is very satisfying. Wow, what a color! Wow, I just loved it. So yes, now let's just reboot this device. We'll just turn on the device. Give me a second. Now the device is turned on, as you can see. I must say that the display is very awesome. It has got 120 Hz Super AMOLED Plus display, which is like crazy. The 120 Hz works smoothly. I did not observe any jitter in the UI. It looks awesome, this display, and the brightness too. It is very bright, very bright. I guess it's 800 nits, so we don't have any problem with that. But yes, also one more thing I do not like about Samsung's mid-range phone are the bloatwares which they install, like this Byju's Daily Hunt Josh phone pay. I don't know why do they install this. We'll just have to delete it. That's it. And yeah, the phone feels very good, like awesome. I liked it a lot. And then let's get into the camera segment, where I personally liked it a lot. Well, these are the pictures which I took from this camera, and they all look good, crisp, and clear. And rest all everything is like okay. One more drawback with this thing is that no 3.5 mm jack. Samsung, why? The phone feels very slim, by the way. It is almost around 172 to 173 grams. It is very slim and very sleek too. Almost 7.4 mm of thickness. That's it. And, also, due to that slimness, they did not include the 3.5 mm jack. I don't know why. Yes, and again we have a side mounted fingerprint, which works good, by the way. And we have got a 3-camera setup on the rear end. The color looks good, but then a plastic back. Samsung. A plastic back. It instantly attracts all the dust particles and all the fingerprint smudges, as you can see. We'll just have to put a case. I don't have any problem with that because I generally use this phone. I generally use a phone with a case, so I don't have any problem with that. But then the color looks too good. Okay. Yes, also camera is good, and one more drawback is that it doesn't support IP67 or IP68 rating, which is again a major drawback. So yes, so I bought these two cases for the phone because I was very confused what to do, which case to order, because they were mixed reviews. So I bought one from the Amazon and one from the Flipkart because yes, as I said, I was very confused with that. So yes, let's unbox this thing too with this very super instrument, my pen. Let's just take this thing off. Here is the case. Here is the color. Now this one's, oh wow, it's very nice. I like the aesthetic design, aesthetic color of the case. That is why I ordered this color instead of black. So yes, let's put this case in the phone and fits perfectly. Yes, yes, all the ports and everything is there. The speaker, okay, everything is there. Also, it has got a mono speaker. I forgot to tell you in the video, in the unboxing video, it has got a mono speaker, which is a drawback again. So yes, it looks very good. It looks, as I wanted, aesthetic. Looks very good. I personally liked it a lot. It feels good too. Now let's just unbox this Flipkart thing. It is a transparent case again. So okay, now this feels very cheap plastic to me. Yes, it does. So I'll most probably return this thing. I don't like it at all. Let's just check it once again. Yeah, it's a very cheap plastic. What is this? Chance to win a mobile holder. Get lost. I don't want a mobile holder. Now, why did I give this? Extra. This is the case. Okay, very cheap plastic. I didn't like it at all. See, very cheap. See this thing? Not at all good. But then let's just put this on our phone. I guess it'll look good. Even if the plastic is cheap, it'll look good. Let's just... Yep, it's done. Looks good from the front. And yes, it does look good. But then, you see this thing? The plastic is very cheap. Like, you can probably run this phone for almost 2 to 3 months with this plastic case. But then it's transparent. If you prefer a transparent phone, that is okay. It is good for you too. But I don't like it personally. I'll most probably keep this one from the Amazon one and I'll return this thing. Yes, the scratches are also present in the case. There are some scratches in the case. But yes, overall, it looks good. But then the plastic is very cheap. So yes. So it has been more than 2 days since I'm using this phone, and this particular video is being shot on the phone itself. So you can also check the camera quality and the audio quality. Let me just start with the pros and cons. Okay, so the first pro of the phone is obviously it's 120Hz Super AMOLED Plus display. It is very smooth. Trust me, it feels like you just applied butter on your fingers and you're just scrolling it with it. So it is very smooth. And talking about the camera segment, it is okayish. Because the night photos are a bit dull, but then yeah, it is overall it gives us a good camera performance too. And the third pro is its speakers. Even though if it doesn't support a stereo speaker, but the sound of the speakers are very good. It is very crisp and clear. So I didn't find any difficulty. It is very loud too. Considering it has a mono speaker, it is very loud. Now coming to the cons of this phone, the first and the major thing is obviously the charger, which Samsung gives, the 15-watt charger. It almost takes me around 1.5 to 2 hours to charge the phone. And I also found out that if you're editing videos on the phone, like I do, so there is a bit problem in the battery. The battery drains fast quickly, I think so, because I've never faced any such problems with the new phones. But then I felt that the battery, even though if it's a 5000 mAh battery, it just doesn't stay much long than I expected. Considering it as a 5000 mAh battery, it doesn't stay long as I expected. So that's it for today. I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll mention all the links included in this video in the description. You can check it out there. I'll mention the case link too. You can definitely check it out there. And yes, see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace out.